Okay guys, so let's remove our valve seal of our cylinder head. We are using this special tools, valve seal remover. So very easy to use. So we'll insert here in our valve seal, then pull it up and twist it. Okay, so remove already the valve seal for intake. Okay, for intake again. The last one. Okay, the exhaust valve seal are already removed in our valve guide here. Okay, then we will clean our cylinder head so that we can assemble. We'll install new valve seals and our valves for intake and exhaust. Okay guys, this is our cylinder head. We're going to clean with gasoline. Okay guys, so we will start assemble our cylinder head. First thing to do, we have to pour a little bit engine oil in our valve guide. Then next, we will install our valve seal. This is our valve seals. So both intake and exhaust are the same. There's no color coding regarding our valve seal. So we will install in each valve guide. We will use this valve seal remover or valve seal installer so that we can easily put our valve seal in each valve guide. Okay, so we'll start from here. Next, the intake side. Okay guys, so we'll install our valve seal. We're going to use this 10 mm short socket, flower type, extension bar, and together this ball peen hammer. We will tap on top here in our valve seal so that we can properly install in our valve guide. Okay. Make sure that properly install our valve seal. Okay guys, so this is our valve seal we installed. So must be the valve seals are properly installed in our valve guide to avoid any oil leakage later on in our valve stem. Okay guys, so we will install our valves in our cylinder head. So in our cylinder head, this is our number 1 cylinder, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So in our valves, there is designated markings so that we can easily locate the proper location in its valves, either intake or exhaust. Okay, so in our valves, we put markings on top so that we can easily identify where is the proper location of each valves. Okay, so the small size of our valve, this is for our exhaust valves. We have marking here on top, so we have dotted mark indicates this one is located in our number 5 exhaust valves. Okay, before we install our valves, we have to put a little bit engine oil, the valve stem, before we insert in our valve pipe. Okay. Next, the intake valve. There is 4 dotted mark here on top. So we will install here in number 4. Intake valve in our number 2 cylinder. Okay. Then next, again intake valve. There's no dotted mark on top. So this is the last intake valve we will install here in our number 4 cylinder. Okay. Okay guys, so these are our spacer for our valve spring. So there is proper position how to install this spacer of our valve spring. The flatted portion of our spacer must be installed downward. Then to avoid falling down during assembling the valve spring together this valve lock, we have to put some grease on the flatted portion of our valve spring spacer before we install. Okay. Okay, next, always the flatted portion must be on downside. Okay, we will properly install our valve spacer. Okay, that's it. We already put in proper position on of each valve spring spacer. Okay. Okay guys, so before we assemble our cylinder head, this is our special tools, valve spring compressor, like C-clamp. Both sides are adjustable. There are different sizes to be used depending on the size of our valve and valve retainer. Okay. So this one we're going to install here. There's a lock here. We'll insert, okay, so that it not can easily push out. Then this size we'll install here. Okay. There's a check ball also. Serves as a lock of our special tools. Okay, so this is the one we are going to use for our cylinder head valve spring installation. Okay, okay guys, so we will assemble our cylinder head. We will install our valve spring. There is printed mark on top, so this portion must be on top, like what here. Okay, these are our valve lock we're going to install. Okay, okay guys, so this is our special tools we're going to use to install our valve spring together the lock. Okay, we'll put it here. Okay. Then we will compress the valve spring. That's all. We have that screwdriver. We put a little bit amount of grease. Then we will put little amount of grease of our valve lock. Then we'll put here in our valve stem. Then we'll release. Okay, done. Okay guys, so that we already install all our bulbs, bulb spring and bulb locks. Okay guys, so after we install our bulbs, bulb spring and bulb lock, we will put piece of wood here under our cylinder head. Okay. Then we have small rod here and ball peen hammer. We will tap on top of our bulb spring, our bulb stem, of our bulb, so that it can lock properly our bulb lock. Okay guys, so we'll install our spot lock. We'll use this one set of spot lock wrench. Okay, we tighten this our spot lock. Now we'll put this piece of wood under our cylinder head. Okay. Then we'll put a little amount of gasoline. We'll pour it here in it chamber of our cylinder head. Then after 2 minutes, we will check if there's fuel drops on our bulbs, so that we can determine if there's leak in our bulbs. Okay, so that's the way how to leak test of our bulbs. If there's any leakage in our bulbs, both intake and exhaust, the fuel will drops under this bulb surface of our bulb piece. Okay, so far so good, there's no any leakage, so ready to install our cylinder head.